guys, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm very late today, so मैं already shoot की location पे I'm waiting for some more people to come. I thought I'm late but I'm not late, which is great because I got some time to record this intro. But आने के पहले बहुत अजीब चीज़ हुई मेरे साथ. मैंने कैब बुक किया था. Now ये मेरे घर के पास ही है, right? 5-10 minutes, but मुझे 15 मिनट लग गया आराम से because of बहुत traffic है. Now I am in sector 5 right now. एंड जिस कैब से मैं आ रही थी ही वॉज सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स, तो मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगा एंड आई एम लाइक इट्स फाइन व्हाटएवर, कुछ नहीं होगा. राइट नाउ बिफोर आई वाज गेटिंग डाउन आई पेड हिम. फर्स्टली उसने मेरे से पूछा कि लाइक यू नो लाइक कैन यू प्लीज़ पे, मेरे को वेट करना पड़ा आपके लिए एंड आई रियली डिडंट मेक हिम वेट. इट वॉज हार्डली अ मिनट मैक्सिमम, राइट. एंड मैंने इन ड्राइवर बुक करा. सो आई फेल्ट वेरी वियर्ड बट अगेन दिस दुर्गा पूजा, सो आई पेड हिम 20 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा. चलो ठीक है, उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Then he asked me like, why do girls smoke? And I was like wait, did he just ask me that out of like nowhere? And I was like okay. I just told him कि ठीक है, no judgment, सब अपना अपना करते हैं. किसी you know people have bad habits or whatever it is, but he was trying to convince me like, oh my god, is it just for the fashion or to look cool? And I was like bro, boys also do it. आप ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हो? मेरे को बहुत अजीब लगा बट आई वाज लाइक रितिका, जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ दिस कैब. एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट सुपर वियर्ड एंड दैट इज़ हाउ माई मॉर्निंग स्टार्टेड. सो या एनीवेज वी आर हियर एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस कॉल्ड 5 मैडमेन. मैं यहाँ पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ, मैं बहुत आती थी पहले बट अभी आई डोंट स्टेप आउट सो मच, सो आई डोंट रियली गो. But they have alcohol, they have food, they have great food by the way. I remember my father really loved this place and yeah, बहुत spacious है. They have a lot of games by the way, which I'll show you. I'll show you the whole place of course. So yeah, very excited, waiting for more people to come. But excited for the day. इसके बाद मैं जाऊँगी अपनी फ्रेंड से मिलने. मुझे कुछ इंडियन कपड़े देखने हैं. So she has a store. आप अगर मेरा vlogs देखते हो तो आपको पता है it's called Jamun in Salt Lake. So I'm going to check out the Pooja collection or whatever she has, and उसके बाद we'll go to this new place to have some coffee and that is my plan for the day. So अच्छा है, content के लिए भी अच्छा है मेरे लिए. So this is one section of the area and this is also one side. यहाँ पे सारे games है, there's pool table and all of that, and that's the bar. अभी उस side भी है, so we'll go that side. This is also like a nice place to take some selfies, I feel. Okay, so I have a feeling shoot काफ़ी late हो जाएगा, but I'm trying to wrap up as fast as I can. But lighting बहुत अच्छी है इधर, so I thought I'll quickly talk to you guys. And yeah, I'm very excited. मैं कुछ ऐसे festive outfit देखने वाली हूँ because Durga Puja is like a big deal. Even Diwali is coming, so I really hope I like something and under my budget. So I'll show you guys what all I like. You can let me know in the comments कौन सा पसंद है. इतना बोल रही हूँ, पता चला I don't like anything. So that's also going to be sad. And yeah, like मेरा पूरा background is very ऐसे nice light and you know all the good backgrounds and everything.
Much later.
Okay, so shoot is finally done and I'm running towards my cab because I'm very late to meet Sushmita. आपने उनको उसको पहले ब्लॉग्स में भी देखा होगा, बट एनी वेज द फूड वाज माइंड ब्लोइंग. इट वाज सो गुड. इट वाज सच अ नाइस टेक ऑन कोलकाता, you know, like this chaat and everything mixed with a lot of fusion and stuff. They had some really interesting combinations also which I really like. So that was quite nice and पेट भर गया, मज़ा आ गया. अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट लोकेशन पे. लेट्स गो. Finally here, बहुत sure है, but that's Jamun and let's go inside. Okay, this is what my mom liked, so I have to try this and all of this. इसमें से pant suit कौन सा है?
ये है.
ये सब?
These are all pant sets. This is also ये regular white में है. This is Farsi shoot. Farsi suit. नया है, अभी पूरा क्रेज है. This is on अनारकली.
I love the purple one. It's so pretty, but yeah. Okay, so I love this, but बहुत ज़्यादा weight gain हो गया है and they don't. Oh, you only have one size, but it's so pretty. Love the work. This is another one. Very pretty again. Do you recommend? What all can I try?
See, so this is one Farsi suit that's come.
Okay.
Abhi it's like crazy. Everyone is talking about Farsi. Farsi is basically the pants are.
Oh, nice. I love the details
Yeah.
of the thing. Yeah.
And यहाँ पे ऐसे काम किया हुआ है पूरा. Available in 2 colors. This is a very nice.
ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है but मेरे
But
size
size
में नहीं है. I think you should order my size.
Yeah, we have a lot of reds and pinks.
Perfect for Diwali and Durga Puja.
And of course our best-selling shararas.
I love the
तो
purple
अभी
one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay.
I love the purple one.
Same. I don't want to wear it because मेरे को पता ही नहीं को पसंद आ जाएगा.
And people who don't want too much attach like this.
This is also very pretty. I have
Can-
something like this
Yeah,
from here.
You can buy something like this which is simpler.
Very nice.
So yeah. All these.
चिकन कारी में कुछ न्यू है?
Chicken curry में ये तो obvious है ही हमारे पास. But we also have stuff like this which has like kardana work on it. Very pretty.
Nice.
Yeah.
थोड़ा glitter भी है इसमें. This is more heavier.
Yeah.
Okay.
And of course
What is this red thing? बहुत कुछ न्यू आया है. मैं तो बहुत दिनों बाद आई हूँ.
ये सब कुर्ती गाउन है और बेस्ट सेलर्स है.
Good sales person training हो रहा है.
Yes. This is a jumpsuit.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Color is so pretty. My God, this is like jumpsuit. मेरे को लगा सूट है. Okay. और क्या देख सकते हैं? सब खरीद लूँ मैं? Very nice mirror. I'll send this to mom. Let's see what she says. And what about here? Please give us a tour.
So this is our unstitched, semi-stitched section. You will get suits like this. It's all mirror work, hand work, the patta. These are heavy pieces for like if you're attending weddings and all. You can wear stuff like this.
Okay.
If you want in pastel, we also have all pastel colors here. Peach, baby pink, white, off-white,
So pretty.
all of it. And then we also have colorful suits.
ये सब तो बहुत सुंदर है.
Yeah, these are colorful suits with a lot of heavy dupatta work. And we have shararas. This is a semi-stitched piece.
Wow.
Perfect for brides and all.
इसका दुपट्टा is so सुंदर.
This one. Plenty of options to choose from.
Okay. Thank you so much for the tour.
Not much later.
We have reached Country House. This is Country House. Let's go inside. So this is the outdoor area. So pretty. I love it. He said he go. Second dish is here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have pink sky today. जो छुप गया है थोड़ा. Oh, I can see now. It's so beautiful.
A few moments later.
So abhi I'm checking out shoes and waiting for Sushmita. I liked one stuff, so I'm gonna show it to her. Sushmita has gone home. I'm just trying out a few outfits, but ऐसे कुछ amazing तो नहीं लग रहा मुझे. So I don't know if I'll find anything at all. जो भी पसंद आ रहा है, size नहीं है out of it. It's not nice. I think Jamun में I like the outfits, just that my size is not available. सो तो फिगर आउट क्या कर सकते हैं. ये उसी का एक और कलर है बट आई डोंट नो कैसा लगेगा मुझ पे. सो इट्स फ्रॉम शॉप स्टॉप बाय दिस फुल पूजा सेल एंड एवरीथिंग. पूजा 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 दुर्गा पूजा इज सच अ बिग थिंग. आप देख सकते हो क्रेजी शॉपिंग चल रही है हर जगह. डिस्काउंट भी बहुत इंसेन है. So I was here at the MAC store and I thought let me try a foundation. So she's gonna put it on my face. So let's see कैसा लगता है. So yep, I'm gonna try that foundation. And I've seen it in Sonakshi Sinha's vlog. So I just want to know कैसा है. So let's get ready. So abhi we are trying out this shade. You can see, I don't know if you can hear, but my face this side is looking so much brighter and this is like my face. Okay, so I'm back home and this side is the full face of MAC, which I kind of like. It's really bright, but मुझे MAC के साथ risk नहीं लेना था because these are all very expensive foundation and concealers and all of that. And I want to try and test it out on my face. I didn't buy anything, कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा मैंने. In fact आज sadly कुछ ही नहीं खरीदा. मेरा मन था कि मैं कुछ अच्छा सूट खरीदूँ because दिवाली में हम नए कपड़े पहनते हैं. So I wanted to buy something which I can also use in my reels and everything. So ऐसे तो कुछ पसंद नहीं आया but yes काफ़ी घूमा, बहुत थक गई हूँ. And yes, that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.